Alright guys, did a little bit more work this week. Got my patch in there for my heater box cut out. It's okay. I'm not too impressed with it. It'll do, I guess. Started working on my toe boards and torque boxes. I don't know if you can see it there, but got part of that toe board cut out. Go over here. I got my first torque box up in there. Still needs welded in, but it's pretty snug. It ain't going anywhere. A little dark under there, but should turn some lights on. But got that in there. Got to get the other side. Probably do it next week. I had a little bit of help come in today. Coming along. Decided that I'm going to completely rewire this car. So that blow up plug and that little plug right there, they need to come out. I'm going to have to patch those holes. Be honest with you, I sure am tired of grinding on this thing. Hours and hours and hours of grinding. But I guess it'll pay off in the end. Alright, I'm going to show you something else today. See if you can see this red car sitting here. This is a 41 Ford Coupe. Top is chopped down. I'm not sure how much it's chopped. My dad completely did this car. Painted it. Everything. It's got power seats in there from Cadillac. Could use some fancier wheels, but he's tight on his budgets all the time. See if I can get this hood popped here. Looks like he's got his air cleaner off. But he built it. Pretty proud of it. Keep telling him he needs to chrome this middle grill here, but again, he likes to be tight on his budget. So with that, see if you can see the torque box over there. Need some light. Sorry that it's dark. Sorry about the video being shaky, but we'll bring you some more videos next week. Hopefully I'll have this side torque box put in. Keeping up the progress. It won't be long after that. I get the same thing in primer. Start using some filler and filling in the low spots. Block it off. Get it painted in here. Then do some odds and ends and get my engine back in. Can't wait for that day. Alright, YouTubers.